Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we proceed with the demonstration, we would like to give a short introduction about our project. Our project is an event ticketing and venue booking system developed using the RESTful API architecture. The main objective of this project is to allow user browser event, booking tickets, and manage booking, while administrator can manage venue, event, and system data effectively. For the technology, we use PHP for the backend, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the front end, and MySQL as the database. We choose this stack because it is lightweight, easy to deploy using XAMPP, and suitable for the building structure web-based system. In addition, RESTful API was used because it is provide clear separation between front-end and back-end, better stability, and easy to integration. All API endpoints were tested using the Postman to ensure reliability. The system supports full scope operation to the RESTful API with the real-time interaction between front-end and back-end. Now, we will proceed with the demonstration. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adnan Azhar Faizal, and my student ID is AM240801667. And today I will be presenting my system. So basically my system is about system management, booking, event, venue, and tickets. So the first one, we will see the interface. So this is for the demonstration. Even we have the account, I will create the new ones so that we can see how the process is worked. So for the username, we just put user once so that easy to remember it. So after that, after we settle up the verification, we can just click enter, and then after that, you're going to back to login page, and then we sign in. So this is our dashboard. So basically, our dashboard have the several events, like for example, startup page demo day, night neon music festival, and national best classic. And then we will see the category for your recent booking because this is a new account and your ticket also zero because this is a new account. So we will do the some demonstration. So basically we have several events uh, and then we have stage events is stage events. For example, we stage the dinner and then we have several categorized. For example, technology, and then all categories. So for this demonstration, I will select a several ticket so that we can see how the system works. For example, here I will put some several numbers tickets so that we can easily understand how the system works. So for here, I will select maybe 60 tickets, and then we will see the chart of the color blues is deduction. Next, we will go to my bookings tickets. Here we can see our ticket venue and then ticket events and the total how much we need to pay. So here we can see the quality is 90 and the total of the how much the tickets is about 11,340, and then we can cancel it, and then we will go to my tickets, and then we can see here the code of that ticket. So basically the code automatically generate is going to be random numbers so that we can easily trace the tickets. So this is about the login page for the user, and then we're going back to the logout, and then go to the admin dashboard. So for here we can see the login admin dashboard. So here we can see the several function. For example, operational metrics, and then the analytic, and then the recent booking, and so on. So for the manage menu, we already have several venue. For example, Grand Horizon Arena, and then Harvard View Pavilion. So from here, we can add the new venue. For example, I will put maybe Ampang Jaya, for example, Ampang Jaya, Jaya Lotus. And then the location, maybe I will put Ampang. And then how much the capacity, maybe I will put 90. And the status is active, registration. So here we just create a new venue. So for any venue, we can edit the venue. For example, Grand Horizon Arena, we can edit the names and the location, and the capacity, status, and the description. Next is management events. So for the management events, we have already have several events. For example, we have the National Best Kid Classic. So without further ado, we're going to create a new one, new event. For example, we just select our venue, and then maybe we put food food festival. The description, we put the dates, and then we have the dates and the times, and maybe the price we will put one person per entry. Maybe we put RM2, and the seat maybe we can put the 10,000. For this event management, we have several features. For example, music, technology, business, sport, and general. And the status, we have several status like complete, cancel, publish, and draft. The next is user management. So before this, we create a new accounts, and then we can see here, our accounts, user ones. So from here, we can block any user. For example, I want to block this user, and then the user lost their accounts. So basically, this is a pavilion for the admin to block any user if have any issue. And then next, we will see the monitor categories. So this is basically for all bookings. We can see several bookings for several users. And we can see the customer, event, venue, quality, total, status, and the actions. Next, we can see here the total of bookings. Like for example here, 14, and then the total how much profit we get. And then next, I will go to the all tickets. So from here, we can see several categories. For example, codes for the serial number of the tickets and the events, when the event was started, the name of the customer, the quantity, booking, and the status. And then we can see the filter if we want to select all for the issue one or the cancel or the use one. We can select it. I think this is all about my system. I will pass to next person.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ihsan bin Burhanuddin. My student ID is 240x016632. Today I would like to present about my system demonstration. First, I will present for admin role. To proceed first for database, this is my database. We have booking table, event table, ticket table, user table, and the last one, venue table. This is for database. I'm using MySQL. So next we proceed to Postman, which is for API testing. Let's say we also need to log in this for admin. My admin is at event.com, password 123. Okay. Now this is my dashboard page. What we have is total venue, total event, total booking, and total ticket. Also we have greeting, welcome Muhammad Ihsan. For admin, recent booking, show customer who have booking. Next I want to show you my API testing. Let's say we use get for filter like this user page. Let's say we filter Ihsan, so only Ihsan appear on this page. I'm Postman Ihsan body. Search Ihsan. Okay, we send it. This happened because unauthorized user, so we need to log in first. Choose it to post and change it to ilogin.php, and we change it to email ihsan@event.com, password. Okay, we send, and this success will appear 200. Okay, which is my post was work. Next we change it to get to see filter like this. php search Ihsan. Change also. And we send it, and true, user fetch successfully, ID 1, no Ihsan. So the functionality was work. Now we proceed to edit. You also can edit it. Let's say I edit using web API testing. We change to put users underscore update .php. This is for update. PHP to ID ID 5. What we need to change name PHP. So we change name to Danish only, and we send it unprocessable entity missing field email enroll, so we add email enroll. Okay, email Danish. I am also change the email Danish.com. Select role for customer. If no error, we can send. So true, user update successfully. Next we refresh and the update will appear. This one, change name. Before this Danish Akmal, so change to Danish. Email Danish at Gmail, change to Danish at event. Also we can add user. I will add user using this. We choose post users underscore create PHP. Let's say we create a new name and test mail test user event. Next we have email dan role. Okay, role customer. Next password 12345 okay, send it 201 create. So the new user was create, so we refresh it, so the new user already create. Next we proceed to delete, so I want to show delete delete this is accounts. So we only use I think ID, because we use unit ID 10 and user 200. okay, success through, user deleted successfully. We reload and the test user was disappear or this page. So that's all for web API testing. We proceed for this system. We proceed to venue. This is my venue, same. We can filter it, choose Axiata Arena. We also can add venue. Let's say test address, test capacity 1000. Save venue. So the test will appear. So which is the post RESTful API was work. Next we edit update, which is for RESTful API we use put update test capacity we change to 500. Save value, and the test with the capacity will change to 500, and we also can delete it using delete RESTful API, so the test will disappear. Same goes to event. This is my event page. We can edit, so we can add using create event, so we also can delete it. Next, this is my booking page. We can view, which is I'm using CRUD operation, create, read, update and delete. This is for read, so we can read booking details, so we can edit, quantity, let's say we change to 2, so the quantity change to 2. Also can cancel it, and we can create new booking. And last is ticket. This is for ticket reference. We can print it, save and save to the laptop or phone, because so can generate ticket. So that's all for my admin page. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm back. We continue to roll for customer. For customer, we can create full name. Use test one at event. Come for email, password 17, and then register successful, and we auto log into customer page. So this is customer page. We have dashboard, everything, welcome to test. Proceed to event. The customer, we can see the event. Also can filter. Say type conference 2026 only appear. Next, my booking. So the customer can booking the event, let's say tag conference 2027 save booking. So the booking will appear this page. The customer can view total price, also can edit, change quantity. Let's say we change to 5 on confirm, so the quantity change to 5, the total change to 400. Also the customer can cancel, so the booking was cancelled. Next, for ticket, the customer can view the ticket, status cancel, and print, save. So that's all for customer. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Muhammad Danish Akmal bin Hamzah, and in this video I will explain the front end flow of our event ticketing and venue booking system. I will start with the user flow followed by the admin flow. Alright, for this system, after we sign in, both user and admin are direct to the main browsing experience. Right, let's try. Alright, so the operational flow begins from discover. Right, on the discover page, the user can browse event, search by keyword, filter by city, and review details such as date, price, seat, and weather preview. Alright, after selecting an event, the user clicks start booking. So this is the wizard booking. In this wizard, the user completes the process step by step, which is how many seats you want. Alright, let's say 5. So they have calculate. So the price is 50 ringgit. Alright, so we continue. Next, this is autofill detail. So we just go continue, and this is the confirmation. So as you can see, this is the prior year proxy for future event date. Alright, now let's confirm booking. Okay, after submission, the booking result is shown in my pass. In my pass, the user can review booking status and related booking information in one place. Yes, so this is the example. So we can update the quantity and cancel booking. Let's say we try cancel booking. It will appear like this. Right, that's all for user. Let's go through for admin side. We sign out. So for the admin flow, the admin also sign in. And start from the same main navigation flow. Alright, after login, the admin opens the production dashboard. This page provides a centralized management view with summary card for total venue, event, and bookings. So it allows the admin to monitor platform activity at glance. Alright, in the venue step, as you can see, the admin manage venue record through a table based interface. So the admin can add. So this show add venue, city, address, and capacity, right? So in venue, admin can edit and also delete. So in event page, the admin manage event records, which is including schedule, title, price, description, total seat, and available seat, right? So admin also can edit or delete this title, right? Can clear all. Next, for booking, so this is the latest information that user doing before this they cancel. So the admin can delete the cancel booking, and if the another user just confirm, so admin does not have access to delete their booking, right? So that's all for admin side. Alright, that's all for me. Thank you.